You are probably paying monthly to your health insurance company here in Germany, right? But what if I told you you can actually get up to 400 euro per year back from your insurance directly in your bank account? Sounds unbelievable. Yeah. Well, it's true. I have cut proof. Let me explain how it works. Did you know almost all health insurance providers in Germany offer bonus programs? Today, I'm going to talk about the TK bonus program because that's the one I personally use. A bonus program works like this. You register for bonus program with your health insurance provider. Then you usually have 1 year to do things for your health. Year starts when you register. Activities, for example, preventive checkups, vaccinations, or physical activity. At the end of the year, you send your health insurance to proof, and in return, you get a cash reward. That's the basic idea. Now, let's take a closer look at the bonus program. All people insured with TK can participate, including parents and their children. You have 1 year to complete certain health-related activities for which you earn points, 1,000 points per activity. Each 1,000 point is equal to 10 euro. So if you complete three activities worth 1,000 points each, you will receive 30 euros. But there's also an interesting alternative, the TK Health Dividend. It takes you to the chance to double your points value if you spend them on health related expenses. But what exactly does that mean? Well, there's a list of accepted health related expenses, and there are not as crazy as you might think. I will show the list on screen. So, gym or sports club membership, fitness tracker, or prescription glasses, professional dental cleaning. So, these are just a few examples I personally found interesting. You might find something more useful. If you can provide an invoice of any of these expenses, you will get 20 euro for each 1,000 points. That's mean double. It is not compulsory to wait till the end of the year. When you add in your app, you are eligible to redeem the points and get your money. Now discuss the activities. All activities are divided into three categories: TK preventive bonus, TK active bonus, and then the health courses. Let's first look at the activities for children. As you see, children checkup, vaccination, dental care count towards the TK preventive bonus. With the TK Active bonus, you can also get points for things like baby or children's classes, membership in a sports club or gym. You can also get points for health or preventive courses. So you can collect uh, quite a few points for your kids. Now, what about adults? For adults, the TK Preventive bonus includes journal checkup, vaccination, dental care. The TK Active bonus also rewards sports club or gym membership. Health or preventive courses are also accepted. So now you know all the possible activities. Pick the one that interests you most. Once you have signed up for the bonus program, it's time to start collecting points. You have 1 year to complete your chosen activities. Once you complete it, just upload it via the TK app. That's it. After collecting your points throughout the year, now comes the best part, remitting them. You have up to 3 months after the end of your participation year to do this. After that, all the points expire and cannot be carried over the next year. If you found this video helpful, give it thumbs up, subscribe for more useful tips, and share this with your friends.